Hi guys, good morning, good evening. Kahit saang sulok ka man ng mundo naroroon, basta abot ka ng aming pamilya. So we're calling the attention of all Luyas family blood. Basta may dugong Luyas ka, para sa inyo to. So guys, we are planning. Not really a planning kasi meron na tayong schedule eh. Our grand reunion will be on December 14, 15, and 16, 2023. So guys, sa lahat po ng mga luyas dyan, I will invite you guys to be part of this awaited and grandest reunion in our history. So ever since wala pa tayong reunion kasi. So dito tayo magkakilanlan bawat pamilya natin kahit saang sulok ka mang naroroon na luyas, you are welcome. Negros Oriental, Negros Occidental, Even Iloilo, Cebu, Bohol, Davao, kahit saang sulok ka ng mundo. Basta mag-participate lang. So yun, September 30 ang ating meeting. This is second meeting actually. So saang location? Santo Rosario, Santa Catalina, AMU, sa isang gymnasium doon. So organized by our very own president. Sa reunion na ito ay si Pastor Pong Luyas, and then Vice President si Kuya Isidro, and then our advisor si Kap Kukoy or Chris Nueco. Kapitan po ata siya ng Santo Rosario, Santa Catalina. So our meeting po this coming 30 ay second meeting po yun. So ang plan kasi ni Pastor Pong, suyurin po lahat ng lugar ng basta may mga luyas, maybe nasa Asia, Occidental o Hinubaan o Sipalay or kaning Santa Basay para rather. Basta suyurin ni Pastor Pong kasi December pa naman yung yung event natin, yung grand reunion natin yung 14, 15, 16. So maybe 3 nights and 3 days together. So guys, I hope you are present there sa this coming 30 sa meeting na yon. So guys, come and join us.